Somebody help me. Help me. Brother man with a bomber clot here, though. Make them make the food. Guys, this is so freaking cute. Like, look at this. Hey besties, Shakera back with another vloggy vlog. But this morning I pretty much bring Madison to the hospital because she needed to do a follow-up because she had got stitches in her hand. She needed to get them removed. But on today's agenda, I'm basically going to work. I just wanted to come in here and show my face. Actually, I was supposed to go to Target today, but I forgot that Madison had an appointment. But I did run out of mouthwash, and my toothpaste is at the bottom, like at the bottom. I'm probably gonna have to cut the bottom and, you know, dip and dive, scoop it out to brush my teeth. Like, I didn't feel right this morning not using any mouthwash because that's essential in my oral hygiene. Hey guys, happy Saturday, and it's been a couple days since I picked up this camera. And speaking of camera, y'all, hold on. Anyways, like I was saying, speaking of camera, DJ is coming out with a new version of the camera that I'm currently using, and I'm getting it. This camera actually needs to get fixed, but it's just like, it's 4 days away till the new one drops, so what's the point? And I'm like super geeked. But as y'all could see, I'm dressed. I'm headed to my friend's son's birthday party. He's turning 4. I need to stop at Target first because I didn't get his gift. I'm actually making a list because we need to stay on the Rant Road. So yeah. So the gift is secured, y'all. This was the only thing that made sense in that place. And I also got him this book with a little black boy on it. And for me, I got my tampon. I got a couple leggings for Madison. I got my V for my dangle arms and my bikini area. My mouthwash, Sensodyne toothpaste, and skincare, of course. So this is our overnight barrier balm. I never tried this one before, and this is probably my 5th time using this. This is tea, okay, period. And I got me a Pepsi. Where's my Pepsi? Because I needed to drink right now. Jenny! What you got? What you got? I'm about to wash this makeup off. And y'all, my contacts was irritating me the entire time. Woo! Yes. Messy. But you see that lash and contacts combo? It's the best feeling ever when you remove them. But anyways, today's Saturday, which means it's a mud mask day. I already exfoliated this morning, so I'm just gonna put a mask on. I'm going to try out my new thingy that I bought tonight. So I purchased this Clean Skin Club towels, and Amazon kept pushing this onto me, and I've seen someone talk about it on TikTok. This next thing is from Paris Hilton, and I'm super excited about this because one is pink, and anything pink I want to have it. So this is a cutting board, and it came with some knives. And the only reason I bought this cutting board because the one that I have is like too big, and sometimes I just want to cut an onion, and using the big cutting board is just so annoying. Guys, this is so freaking cute. Like, look at this. In this package, what's this? So this is my glass travel straw, and I'm so freaking tired of repurchasing the same thing. Like, this is my 6th purchase because Madison keep breaking it. Anyways, I bought a dermaplaning toolkit. So this is the base, and it comes with like 20 replaceable tops. I think it's 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, 20. Madi, I can't do anything. Hold on, baby. Alright. Madi, so I'm gonna get you balloons tomorrow. I got the chlorophyll gummies, and it says for healthy skin plus body detox. I got this Laneige lip treatment balm, and I thought it was bigger than this, but it's not. So, oh my god, this is so cute. So this is what it looks like, and it smells so freaking good. This little thing right here is the applicator. In the last package is, okay, got these disposable tongue scraper. Normally I'll get the one from Target. I don't remember the brand. So that's my haul. I'm going to finish my skincare. I'm gonna put on my mask. I might check back in with y'all, I might not a promise. Hey y'all, so today's Sunday, and last night when I was doing my skincare, the camera cut off and I went into a deep cleaning mode. Like, I'm not quite finished yet. I only did the room. I washed the dishes, I unpacked the dishwasher, and I cleaned up the stove. Now I'm cooking. I want to clean the bathroom, but I'm gonna do that after I finish cooking, and I get to use my brand new cutting board, y'all. I'm not gonna record me doing the whole shebang. 4:19, and I'm a slow cooker. I should have been started. It is what it is. I'm just gonna take my time, and me being a slow cooker plus recording is gonna be 10 times slower, and Madison needs to have her dinner before 10 o'clock tonight. And I was upset that the camera did cut off. You know, I wanted to give you guys like a first impression review on the new products that I tried. This thing right here, love it. It has like this cooling effect. And as for the towels, they feel really good, but the smell was kind of off. Like, it was giving like a chemical type of smell. I don't know, maybe because I'm sick, my nose not really working. So I'm about to start cooking, y'all, and I already seasoned my chicken, and it was marinating for 20 to 25 minutes. But right now I'm waiting on the pot of oil to get hot so I can start deep frying my chicken. And I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm making 2 different kinds. My piece is done cooking. I just need to season that pot. But first I'm gonna make me some coffee because I didn't eat no breakfast this morning, so yeah. But I think I want cold coffee.
Tell me if you still love me. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still flourish? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just a drug, and
I'm honestly not the best representation, y'all, but this gonna have to do. Yeah, so it's 13 minutes after 8, and I decided I'm still gonna clean the bathroom. Even though it's kind of late, because I still do have the kitchen to clean. I'm done cooking. But I normally do my reset on a Sunday, and I'm gonna shave, nair, and all of that, and I wanna do it in a nice clean bathroom. And I'm kind of glad Madison is sleeping, because if she wasn't, I wouldn't be able to do this. And that's so funny I said that, because I saw a meme on Facebook and I found it really hilarious. So this was a meme, and this is real life me. Like, if Madison is up, like, I can't do much. I'm only going to clean this one. I'm going to clean the other one tomorrow, and then I'm going to clean the kitchen, come back, take my shower, and do my little self-care, body care shenanigans. I'm here cleaning the bathroom. I already do the shower and I'm about to do the mirror, but I'm doing the sink. Y'all, look what the fuck happened. Now, please, somebody help me. Help me, because what the fuck?
If you don't leave me the fuck alone, fuck off, fuck off.
This is insane. Like, this is really insane. I'm here trying to edit my vlog because that's what I do. But I'm trying to open my library and it's not allowing me to. Like, that's what it does. Each time I open it, it just exits. Like,
Any women turn crosses and make up nice and make them go find me.
so the only solution right now is to delete the whole file and start fresh. Honestly, I'm stressed out, but I know I could do it. But I really wasn't trying to do all of that. Like, yesterday the fucking sink broke. Today I'm having this issue. Like, give me a break. So I'm headed to work right now, y'all. But the package that I told y'all about is here. Ooh. Ooh. It's packaged really, really nicely. I don't think I've ever seen this one in Target. And this one was more expensive because this is a small bottle. And both of them were $28. And it's a peppermint flavor. And as per usual, I'm not expecting anything less from TheraBreath because TheraBreath is bomb. And this says TheraBreath Plus. So I know it's going to be bomb. So let me go put my moisturizer on and take these things off. Damn, I should have washed my hands. Let me go wash my hands. I'm gonna go put this in the bathroom, take these off, put on my moisturizer and my sunscreen. And I think I'm gonna go to the coffee shop that I normally go to. But I'm already drinking a Red Bull and my anxiety is gonna be through the roof. Wait, tell me why the stupid coffee shop is closed. Like, it's only 1:20. What type of business y'all running? Like, why is it closed so early? And then when I checked their website, they actually closed every day 1 o'clock except Saturday. What happened? People stopped drinking coffee after the freaking 1 o'clock? And I don't want to go to Starbucks, so I'm just gonna head straight to work. And I don't know what's been going on with me lately, but I'm just having a shitty ass week. Like, Sunday the freaking sink broke. And yesterday, which was supposed to be, you know, a fresh start, my computer acting up. Well, my external hard drive, it won't let me open up the file to the video that was open, so I had to delete everything. So now I have to remake my intro, I have to re-edit my videos, and it's just a lot that I have to do. But I'm gonna make it happen regardless, because, like, what's the point in complaining? So if you're seeing this, that means a bitch fixed it. But it's just so much going on. And also my iPad completely stopped working, and I can't even blame Madison because we weren't using it for quite some time. Like, it was just sitting there. Well, actually I was taking it to work. I don't know if it was because I was throwing up my bag here, there, and everywhere, so it just stopped working. So yeah, but this brother man with a bomber clot here do. Which lane you in a? Which lane you really in a? What lane are you in? You breaking? Like, what the fuck? Hey, some people on the road just act like say them not have fucking sense. She in a 2 lane. Like, what the fuck y'all do? Y'all put the indicator say I go left and y'all come in a right lane. Like, are you fucking retarded? Look. Anyway, I'ma stay here. So like I was saying, y'all, I forgot what I was saying. She made me lose my chain of thought. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. I completely forgot what the hell I was saying. Fucking dumb bitch. I'm so sorry for that, y'all. But what was I saying? I totally forgot what I was saying. You know what? Let me think about it and get back to y'all. Oh my god. Oh, I just rolled out of bed. But not just, but I didn't brush my teeth or wash my face yet. Y'all probably see crusty eyes right now. But I did my devotion, and I'm just sitting here watching devotion because, wait, what? I'm just sitting here watching YouTube videos because I don't know if I told you guys, but the camera that I'm using to vlog, they came out with a newer version, and I'm like super excited because I've been watching videos all freaking week. So today is the release date and it's available for purchase, but I like to watch reviews before I actually buy it. Like, I already know it's good and I already know I'm gonna get it. Even if I don't watch reviews, I was gonna get it regardless, but it's just like watching reviews just amp me up. So it's already in my cart and I'm just ready to hit checkout. But yeah, I'm about to cook some lunch to bring to work. I think I want cabbage. I haven't had cabbage in a long time, and I'll probably add some corned beef to it with dumpling. I don't want a rice. I've been eating too much rice. Like, I'm about to turn into green any minute now. But let me get up, brush my teeth, wash my face, and get my stinking bread out y'all face. So guys, I have a question. Okay? Don't judge me. But do y'all floss in the morning if you already flossed in the night? Because really and truly, I don't. And my reasoning makes sense. Like, it really do make sense. But the reason behind why I don't floss in the morning is because, like, at night when you floss, like, you already had your last meal and you brush your teeth. You're not eating while you're sleeping. So it's like, what's gonna get between your teeth when you're actually in a slumber? Isn't it kind of pointless to do it again in the morning? Or am I tripping? Comment below, let me know if a bitch is really tripping. But anyways, I'm gonna try out the new mouthwash today. So y'all, Madison received her Halloween costume today and I'm super excited. I already took out the package and everything, and I got it on Amazon, and I knew it was gonna come here on time because I'm a Prime babe. Because initially I wanted to do Etsy, but the lady, she texted me saying she was going on vacation and her shop is closed. So I'm like, okay, I gotta find a different alternative. So I got this Flintstone outfit. It's like really, really cute, y'all. It also came with a freaking headband, and it's the absolute cutest. And I need to change my freaking wig, but we're not here for that. But also from my Amazon delivery, I got more of the wrist towel thingies, and I got neutral color this time because the other one that I have is pure pink. So that's my little haul, and tomorrow I want to take Madison pumpkin patch. She's never been. I've never been. And also my sister is in town for her birthday. Y'all been trying to before. Madison! Maddie! I'm trying to vlog. I'm trying to vlog. Anyways, y'all. My sister is in town for her birthday. Y'all might have before in one of my Jamaican vlogs. Like, that's my bitch. Like, I don't ever look at her as my sister. She's more like my friend because we be talking about some things. Like, y'all, my sister is here. You so fake, bitch. You so fucking fake. She said the skin is skinning. They could have bring me one too. And this one, not taste good.
It only for no food.
Oh, move this before it curry up because I can't afford it. So I beg them beg the food.
No, I mean, I'm tell her buffet. I mean, share it all.
But you not buy your money's worth because I full up that. Y'all should come over here to slave me. She want me customize our wig with no funds. Where's the funds, bitch? I need some money.
Love is all you need.
Shut up.
Project, I say that you want. This ain't what you want.
car because it's raining.
And you gotta choose wisely. That's my heart. 1, 2, 3, 4.